Oh, all right, ladies and gentlemen, I am back. This is Brandon on Motor Nubs. If you can tell, my voice still isn't 100% here. We started working on the budget turbo challenge Honda Accord. If you're not familiar with this build, I'll have the link for the playlist down below in the description, or you can just click on my channel and click on playlists and look for the $500 challenge Accord. Anyway, to get you guys caught up to speed, I moved into a new house, and in the process of that, I caught a cold. So it's been a fun time. But thanks to one of my awesome friends, Ben. Thank you, Ben. He donated. We had an intercooler down here. Actually, hold on. Let me show you. We had this intercooler, but it was all bent up, and I had a lot of like jack leg piping that I had like left over from stuff. But Ben donated a full eBay intercooler kit. So let me lay this out and just show you guys what you can expect. This is the I don't know, JDM Sport one. There's the intercooler, tube and fin, just like the other one. Nothing crazy there. He already had opened it up, but this is kind of how they typically come. They have all the couplers in a bag with a bunch of pipes. There's a little bird in here. So something along the lines of that. So we got a bunch of couplers, pipes. Good to go. There's more couplers in there. And then it's also got a bunch of these. Oh yeah, good stuff. So this is just one of those generic kits. It's not meant specifically for any vehicle, which is good. We can make it work for just about anything. And then there's one more bag of goodies. Yeah, look at that. So that'll be nice. That'll be a lot better than trying to cobble together something. Even though this was donated and it was $0 technically to me, I'm still gonna have to include this into my budget, because we want it like simulated whatever it would have cost, just to make it fair, because not everybody can get free stuff. But thank you again, Ben, for that. Much appreciated. And potentially Ben actually may be buying this car afterwards if we don't tear it up too bad. So knock on wood there. But in this video, we're going to get started on trying to mock up the intercooler piping, and hopefully I don't lose my voice along the process. So yeah, here we go, guys. Oh, what's up, everybody? Hopefully this is a good camera angle. I kind of put it up on some scaffolding in the back of the garage. I don't even know if you guys can hear me. If not, then I'll just cut that audio out. But I'm gonna pull everything out from underneath the car. It's kind of been sitting for like about a week and a half. So everybody just kind of had all my stuff shoved up underneath here, which is fine. No big deal on that end. But just got to figure out what we're working with. I always hate leaving a project, and then it's like, where did I stop? You know, like, what do I do now? It's a good radiator fan. Alright guys, so I just did some precise calculations, and we're not going to be able to run a front bumper without cutting something. So the birds are going crazy up there. In the nature of keeping things simple and sweet, we're not running a front bumper, but whoever ends up getting the car after me, don't worry, I'll keep the front bumper, so that way if you want to cut it all up, you can put it on there. Boom. Alright, so I ran into a little issue. I got the cold side intercooler piping done. Now the hot side intercooler piping from the turbo to the intercooler, it's so tight up against that radiator that I was gonna have to do like 2-inch piping, and the 2.5-inch piping kit that I got, thankfully, from Ben, unfortunately doesn't really have much 2-inch. It's got one little section of 2-inch right here, but it's not gonna be enough, and it's not a 90. So I had an idea. I put my thinking cap on, and I'm like, this is gonna be a low boost setup. We're gonna go old school, and we're going to the auto parts store to find a radiator hose. I'm looking for one that's gonna do a 90, and then hopefully have a long straight piece. So just 90 long straight piece. Should be super simple. Once I can get it down, then I can have it flare out, and I can work it up to the 2.5-inch. I can use like a piece of this, and then I have a coupler that'll go to 2.5-inch. Should work, hopefully. So stay tuned, guys. We'll be back. Guys, so I went into Advance and I found what seems to be probably the perfect pipe. Yeah, all it is just like a straight 90. I'm gonna have to cut, one side so that way it's a lot shorter. But the inside diameter of this is 2-inch on this side and 2-inch on that side, so I'll be able to make it work. By the way, if you wanted the part number, it's a Dayco part number, and there it is. 70739. Yeah, 70739. So yeah, there you go. This is not gonna work for like high boost applications at all, but for what we're doing, it should do fine. Check it out, check it out. All right, let's go throw this thing on there. All right, so I flipped that hose around. I cut it down and trimmed it a little bit, and I think I'm gonna end up pulling the radiator back ever so slightly. It's touching the radiator. I don't know if that's gonna be an issue because it's rubber or not. Long term probably wouldn't be the best. Probably this needs to get a half-size radiator realistically, but for this challenge and maybe, I don't know, trying to pull this off of there, should work, I think. What do you guys think? I know you'll tell me down in the comments. All right, so I'm back over here on the driver's side. I ended up cleaning this side up. I had a 90 exhaust piece right here. It is kinked, but it shouldn't make a big deal on this setup. I'm gonna end up using it this way because it's just tucked up a lot tighter to the car. The other one was hanging down like another 1.5 inches, 2 inches, and I'm probably gonna be pulling this up as much as I can just because I don't want it too low. I think it'll be okay. But yeah, got the some little jankety mounts going on, so the intercooler is secure now, and we should be good to go to start clamping stuff down and see how it comes. So let's do it.